This is how I cope. Everyone keeps talking about how you need hobbies when you're in medical school. They're like, don't pre-study, don't worry about school, just like take time to yourself, just prepare. Hobbies and mindset and things that you don't have to like physically worry about. If you guys have been watching me for a while, you know that I'm basically getting ready to start medical school. I started my channel when I was first taking my MCAT. I retook my MCAT. I took you guys to college with me, studying with me, and now I'm panicking because in a couple of months, I start my first day of medical school. That's like insane to actually say because I feel like, especially if you're in medicine or you want to be in medicine, it's something that we've been working toward for so long that when you actually get there, you're like, holy shit. So because I like bringing you guys with me literally everywhere, I didn't take you guys actually shopping with me, but I have a haul because I bought so much stuff. Basically, the school that I'm going to, a lot of the time you're dressing in business casual, so I thought that it was a good opportunity before school starts to just basically rack up a whole new wardrobe because I'm obviously not going to be in athleisure every single day at school. May or may not have bought $200 worth of business casual clothing, but it's worth it because it's something I'm going to be wearing every single day. I'm trying to make myself feel better about it. I thought that there was no better time to prepare for the business casual attire than now before school starts, and I'm panicking because I have nothing to wear. I was like, I might as well just feel comfortable now having an outfit or like a set of outfits that I can just rotate, like different pants, different tops, so I don't have to freak out about it later. So I'm gonna show you guys what I bought. Let me fix my hair. Why do I look bald-headed? So a lot of the people online love to post all of these hauls, and some of the things are from Amazon, but then some other things, especially when you're looking at business clothing, are Aritzia or I don't know, other super expensive brands that are just not realistic and not feasible, especially for an incoming medical student, for most incoming medical students. But that's a whole other conversation about loans and the financial aspect of medical school, which really makes it unattainable to a large portion of the population. But that's a conversation we can have another time. But some people can afford it and some people just want to splurge on a couple of outfits, and that's completely fine. My interview outfit is from Aritzia because I was like, I might as well splurge on like a suit and pants that I'm gonna wear basically for the foreseeable future. But some people have their whole wardrobe from Aritzia. Me personally, I'm sticking with TJ Maxx because it's real and it just works. I'm so excited to show you guys everything that I bought. So I need you guys to tell me what your favorite outfit is. I did try everything on and I'm obsessed. Okay, let me show you. Okay, pants are so difficult for me to find personally because I am quite like a wide-legged Hispanic woman. And so sometimes the things that fit my waist don't fit my butt. So it's kind of hard to find pants. I am a size 10 for reference. Sometimes I'm a size 12. So I got these light blue business casual pants. These were $24.99. Very nice. And I don't know if you can see the material on them. So I got these blue pants. This is actually a different brand, but it's basically the same exact pant in like a light green color. I love green. It's one of my favorite colors. It's a very similar fabric. This one was also $24.99. I got this top. This was actually a top that I was really excited about. So it looks like this. This reminds me a lot of the vest that I got from Aritzia, except that one was like $115 or something. $24.99. Next top I got, this one is also kind of a long black top. I don't know if you can see, if you can really see all of the buttons on it. I didn't button all of these because there were so many fucking buttons, but it's a long version. On the back it has kind of a buckle. I don't know if you can see the buckle in the back. I also got this kind of plain black top just because I didn't want everything to be like a vest with buttons. This one I was kind of concerned about because I didn't know if I was gonna like it or not. It did look a little weird when I first put it on because it has kind of like the high neck. It was $16.99. No, and I thought that that's everything I was gonna get, except now apparently TJ Maxx has books in the checkout line, and you know that I am addicted and I have a problem. But I will always compare to Amazon when I'm looking at things that I know I can buy somewhere else. So I looked at the price of this book. First of all, let me show you the book. Crescent City, I think this is the third book in the series. Have I started Crescent City? No. Do I have the second book? No. I only have the first book in the Crescent City series. But when I saw that it was $8, I was like, what am I doing? Like, I'm losing such a great opportunity here because on Amazon, I think it was 12, 13 bucks. So I was like, if I'm gonna buy it anyway, might as well buy it now. So I got it. And that's basically my clothing haul. I went down a rabbit hole about mahjong. I learned how to play it through one of my coworkers who had been talking about it for a long time, and I was like, I don't get it. I felt like whoever played mahjong was 60 plus years old. No offense to the people that like mahjong, I was just not familiar with your game. And then I played it once and I was like, I get it. Immediately bought tiles and they just got here. So I'm really excited. I'm gonna unbox it. Like, you know I have a problem. You guys have watched me freaking garden, read books. You guys have seen me go to the gym like incessantly. You guys have watched me, what else did I do? Paint? Do clay figures? Like, you know I'm ADD. And the fact that I switch hobbies so quickly surprises no one anymore because, I mean, I have like one brain cell and it's trying to learn a new hobby every single day. Okay, let's see what it looks like. I don't know what color these are. I think online they looked like a bright blue. I didn't want them to be super bright. Oh. I should probably not put that in my mouth. Everything is so much more expensive on other websites, so I did end up having to get everything from Amazon. But look at these tiles. You guys probably think I'm fucking insane. Like, what the fuck is this bitch doing? She's starting medical school in 3 months and she's buying tiles for mahjong. This is how I cope. Just tell me you like my mahjong mat. Good morning. I look an absolute mess. I just woke up. You know what? This is realistic. This is what I fucking wake up looking like. It's gotten to the point on Sundays where when I go to the farmer's market, they already have my coffee waiting for me. So that's how much I go to the fucking farmer's market. I'm just gonna go, I think I'm gonna take like a towel because there's like a whole grass area and finally finish reading my book. I'm so tired of not being able to start the next book series because I'm still in the last couple of chapters of this book. So that's my plan for today, just kind of spending time chilling. Yesterday was more of a family day. I had lunch with my mom and my grandma, then I went to have dinner at my aunt's house. I taught them how to play mahjong, and yeah, today I kind of just want to be alone and reset my social battery before I have to work tomorrow. So I got one of the tiny Huda Beauty setting powders. I don't know if they still have this packaging, but this one came with the cute little powder puff. Done with my face. Looks like I did nothing. Oh, I forgot my fucking eyebrows. Bro, my eyebrows are the worst part because they're curly. I don't know if anybody else has curly eyebrows. Let me know in the comments because these are so fucking annoying. Like, I'll brush them and they just won't stay in place, so I have to use brow gel every single day. Literally getting ready to go outside and sweat my ass off. What can you do? I'm using this Eco Gel because I don't think it has any alcohol in it. Not from what I can tell. And it's one of the olive oil based gels. If you know anything about me at all, you know that I'm 100% obsessed with this farmer's market and I'm here every Sunday. Okay, I walk around, I get the same coffee, I sit in my little corner and I fucking drink it until that shit closes. Then after the farmer's market, I ended up going to Trader Joe's to pick up a couple of things. I got some tulips and then I went to my aunt's house to cook everyone dinner. I decided I wanted to make fried rice. I was feeling especially stressed this day for whatever reason. I genuinely don't even know why. Just the thought of starting school was really making me so stressed. I'm definitely not a cooking channel, so bear with me. So I hope you guys enjoyed coming with me on this spring reset before I start medical school. And even if it wasn't the most entertaining vlog, it's realistic.